evidence of filing, the Supreme Court has ruled a final closing statement when it comes to cases are not obligatory.
Okay.
Are not mandatory, sorry, it's obligatory. And so Omukoji extension in the summer boy case and the 14th court and the final ruling about 20th. But lawyer someone attached decided to do something. Or court in 50 pages. I certainly cannot take you through the 50 pages, but I have the document on the shelf. So, the conclusion is against a case and my many transfer. Uncle Supreme Court, Uncle interpretation of certain articles. Wontumi was charged based on the Minerals and Mining Act. There were two versions of that. 2006, AS703. And at 2019, Ebra Yebana Ganam saying Ebeji Hinya Power Ghana no. Yakoya amendments in Benya Act 995. But what I say? So there are two. Someone attached is saying that based on the counts, the 6 counts, the 4 to 6. Based on section 14.1 of the Minerals and Other Offences at 2006, a vague. So provision a too vague, a overbroad, and inconsistent to the letter and spirit of the said article and therefore unconstitutional. Or some say section 92 of the Sales Minerals and Mining Act, and also a vague or here proper interpretation. I'm going to say, so we'll go through the Constitution. Article 132 is clear that when it comes to original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, let me read for your say. Subject to the jurisdiction of the High Court in enforcement of the fundamental human rights and freedoms as provided in Article 30 of this Constitution, the Supreme Court shall have the exclusive original jurisdiction in A, all matters relating to enforcement or interpretation of this Constitution. It's a High Court in a transom as say, some interpretation, I can't seek it from you. So therefore, what 20th now, that's what the judgment by the Master Supreme Court answer. So people say, and the appeal could be certain because there's something you prove something to you. Or say all matters arising to whether an enactment was made in excess of powers conferred on Parliament or any other authority or person by law under this article, under this Constitution. So I say the burden of 703 and 995, which is laws emanating from Parliament, say any Constitution in be bra yanko Supreme Court chichiri. Now 1910 quote here say no 1911 no person shall be convicted of a criminal offence unless defined and the penalty for it prescribed in the written law. Say the court no be offence na say define it. Na say nipa na be punish say mra na tro saa de no. Say mra na tro saa de na convict nipa na and I will so that's basically what I'm saying. Now, the 14.1 is this. Let me read the 14.1 for you. This is the for say. A mineral right shall not in whole or in part be transferred or assigned, mortgaged or otherwise encumbered or dealt in a manner without the prior approval in writing of the minister, which approval shall not be unreasonably withheld or given subject to unreasonable conditions. Now, today, some of our cases say want to do a legal concession. And a legal concession in Kofomi Koye Galamse was only a coche. And almost a wound to mean a summa almost on Kodis Ejumano. Sure. Wound to mean so case, and it's a Debbie Menkasa, Mekasa on quiet reclamation. Yes. Now, if I want to me, may corporate good governance and as a good corporate citizen. Metro letter, a command Western Regional Minister, another comments and regions I say. Kofomi Comasa, so to Rex a phone Western in Mwami. And then I make a secret Galamse. And the child on their one and say, Emrana see 2006 Minerals and Mining Act say. So what they will concession will be. So only you may be. Say Nhyira. Say a part get to can add man as a minister man. Sure. Now in the testimonies a course of court, there's no evidence of Wontumi informing the minister that they giving the concession to anybody to do what land reclamation activities. It's only the offense we born. I don't attach here say already 14.1 now. Is too vague, overbroad, and inconsistent with Article 1911 because there's no punishment ascribed to the 14.1. Okay. What's that say? Sure. Now, because we no say 92B, no, 99.2, no, 99.2. This is the 703. As a 2006, that Galamse said then was identity or say a person who without a license granted by the minister undertakes a small-scale mining operation contrary to Section 1 or act in contravention of the provision of this act in respect of which an offence has not been specified, commits an offence and is liable on summary conviction of a minimum fine of 1,000 penalty units or to imprisonment for a term not more than 3 years. and that's at 2006 no so now we miss our boni we only was at the komu obi ebra mo minister mane okoye galamsey na akoye man na wo minister mane only license na dia now ukoje 3 years. That's right. Now President Akufo-Addo buy na sata na someone attach was a member of parliament na Andy Apia Kubi was a member of parliament and omo kan say yemia mranim. And listen, when they amended it and the amendment came in 2019 at 995. This is what they said. Now listen, the same 92B. No? Okay. Look at the tone now. A person who acts, instigates, commands, counsel, procures, solicits, or in any manner purposely aids, facilitates of a provision of this act. It will share the 2019, the tone, yes, the language, the wording, the phrase, and what you do. Acts, instigate, command, counsel, procures, solicit, or in any manner purposely aids, facilitate, encourages. That's
right.
Or promote any act from your advert here. Promote any act in contravention of a provision of this act in respect of which a penalty has not been specified, or any the prison term from 3 years a minimum of 50 years and 25 years.
Wow.
Or say commit an offense and is liable on a summary conviction of a fine not more than 10,000 penalty units and not more than 15,000 penalty units, and to a term of imprisonment of not less than 15 years and not more than 25 years. So from 3 years and the MPP, they felt that because Galamsey baby economic pay 50 years minimum, 25 years maximum. Someone attach just say a vague, overbroad and inconsistent. But you see, this matter just didn't come. Everyone appear could be transam. Also, I'm going to file a submission of no case.
Yes.
I'm file a submission of no case, and the appear could raise the same issues. And the High Court just sitting on the matter says something in this. And I'm the conclusion or say these elements relate to only count 4, 5, 6 on the offense of purposely abetting an unlicensed mining activity contrary to sections 99(2)(b) of the Minerals and Other Offences Act as amended by section 3 of the Minerals and Mining Act 2019. Or say as above, PW2's reclamation exercise constitutes a contravention of section 59 of the Act of 703. Act 703, however, this is the judge speaking, prescribes no penalty for a failure by a person to register or obtain a license or concession before providing a mine support services to a mineral right holder. Therefore, PW2's reclamation exercise satisfies this essential element of the offense under section 99(2)(b) of Act 703 as amended. What you say? Judge ne kase do say ade na ade abo Wontumi no it's Yamra 14.1. It's Yamra section 59. No. Yana offenses specifically for that. No. But over 99(2)(b) now, because of the broad nature of that act, the offenses defined, the punishment ascribed under 99(2)(b) suffices for 14.1 and 59.
That's right.
I don't know if you get it. So Okase, yabo okwedu on section 14.1. Yabo okwedu on section 59. What's a penalty be anyhow? But already 99(2)(b) now, the wording and how it was amended, you know, caters for the punishment under 14.1 and 59. What I say? And again, the 99 says that, listen, 99(2)(b) no say any person who, without a license granted by the minister, undertakes a mining operation, Wontumi license,
okay,
a registered company. 2. Acts, instigate, commands, counsel, procures, solicit, or in any manner purposely aids, facilitate. And none of that are want to be. It's a judge in the High Court submission of no case ruling. Kase, Sasama and the appear could be kase. Penalties in new for offences near the above. Therefore, as the Constitution says in Article 1911, say the punishment will be. That's how offense you define a penalty new in jailing or net and because 99(2)(b) no prescribed punishment, which is not less than 15 years.
That's right.
And not more than 25 years.
Yeah.
What's that? I said, the Pomo and Koma, that.
That's right.
Our High Court.
That's
But they say they want to go to the Supreme Court. After what the court will rule. Subsequently, the matter will be brought to bear. Now, my fourth and final submission is on the MPP.